So to start building the super box, start with the angled side bars and the side panel. Just make sure with this first step with the side panel that you make sure that the angled bars go into the section with the smaller gap of wood on the bottom. Like so. As you can see, if you've got them in the correct position, they will sit flush on the bottom of the side panel. Next is the straight side bars, and they go in the top position. And if you've got them in right, there should be the rebate facing on the inside. If you find that the side bars are too tight, push it in and just work it around until it takes a little bit of the wood off, and then you should find they go in a lot easier. So the second side panel should just slot in. Once you get everything aligned up, you should be able to push it in. Like so. Next are the two end boards, which should just slide into the grooves. What you've also got to make sure is when you put them in, is that they align up with the rebate in the side. First of all, start by nailing the side bars to the end board with the 50mm round nails. Make sure that the side boards are aligned with the rebate. You can check this again later because you're not actually going to nail into this with this first step. So you've got two nails to go into here. If you can see, you're going straight through in the middle of the mortise and tenon joint. You'll have to also do this for the other three corners. Using the same nails, you need to do two into the end board, spread out somewhere just inside of the line of the tenon joint. Also repeat for the other three corners, and also double check that you're in line with this rebate. The next step is to use the lost head nails. You're going to put 4 in this side panel. You want to go about 10mm down from the edge because you don't want to go too far down, otherwise you'll come through this piece of wood. And repeat the process on the other side. To make it easier with the metal hive rails that you have to attach inside, you've got to put 5 of the brass pins. If you struggle to nail the pins through this tin, you can make a hole with one of the 50mm nails quite easily. There you go. Now you can attach your two hive rails. Make sure that the widest part of the metal is at the top. And nail them in place with 5 of the small brass pins. Do the same with the other side. This is now one complete super box, and you'll have to repeat the process for the second one.